Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to delete face lock in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to delete your face lock, so guys you can delete it. In this video guys, we are going to watch how to delete face lock. First of all, open your phone setting. Click on guys security setting. Come on guys face lock. And guys you can see clear physical data and guys okay. So guys face lock will delete in your Vivo phone and guys you can see face lock has delete in our phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to delete face lock in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.